TEVA, stock analysis, March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering all that in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in training, mentors, and education, I figured out what's making me money and what's not. And everything is documented on this YouTube channel. So, Teva Pharmaceuticals, I see the price melting down, although it's actually just a small bit of correction considering the fact that we have been going up since the late 2023 and over, right? So, with this in mind, you can see that I was so ready to pull triggers here and just buy as long as I saw a double break. But it kind of gapped down and then finally now started picking up. So guess what I'm going to do? I'll come out here. If the price does pull down and gives me a break, then and only then I'm going to look to take things up. But other than that, I'm really not looking to take anything higher without the price actually giving me the rules. So I'll just keep waiting, and if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce there.